Hello my friends, so we've got the construction of the main body finished here. So I've just put some black on it, so sort of give it a black prime. Get that going on. So you can't really see much detail when it's all black. But yeah, it took a while to paint that black on, I'll tell you that. Took a fair while. There's a lot of plastic there. But yeah, got it started. And we've got some brick walls, so I've got some just loose brick walls I'm making up. Another little one there. I've got some loose bricks I'm starting to paint, so I'm going to have to make up a whole heap of those, which will be good. So they could just be scattered around. We've got the other brick wall. It's looking pretty damn decent. That just needs a little bit more work, as you can see. And I've started to do some weathering on the building here, so getting some sort of green moss going on and all that kind of stuff. So still a fair way to go, but you can see the difference between where it's not done, where it is done. So I've only really done a shadow line and yeah, a little bit of moss. Do a little bit more now. So that's coming along. I've got that. So I'll just get that ready and built up and then get that painted. And then we've got all the main stuff sort of ready to go. And then we can start painting this main body and we can start putting it all together. So yeah, exciting. All right, well, I'll get back to it and I'll speak to you again soon.